In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create voice chat on Steam in just 5 minutes. Steam is a fantastic gaming platform with a wealth of features, and setting up voice chat can take your gaming experience to the next level. Whether you're coordinating with friends in a team-based game or just chatting while you play, having a well set up voice chat is essential. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is open your Steam app. Steam should be on your computer desktop or in your program files depending on where you installed it. Once you've located and opened Steam, you should see the familiar homepage. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and click on the login button, which you'll find in the upper right corner of the window. Once you click on login, you'll be prompted to enter your account name and password. This is a crucial step, so make sure you enter your credentials correctly to avoid any issues. After you've entered your account details, go ahead and click on the sign in button. Steam will take a moment to authenticate your details, and then you'll be logged into your account with full access to your games and settings. When you're on your Steam homepage, it's time to navigate to your settings. To do this, click on the word Steam in the top left corner of the interface. A drop-down menu will appear, and from this menu you'll select Settings. This area contains all the configurations that control how your Steam app operates, including the voice settings we'll be adjusting today. In the Settings menu, find Voice listed on the side panel. Clicking on this will bring up the options for configuring your voice chat settings. Now at this point you want to set up your voice chat. Ensure that you're selecting the input and output devices that you plan on using for your voice chat. This could be your headset or external microphone and speakers. Make sure you choose the right devices to ensure your audio is clear. Once you've selected the correct input and output devices, it's a good idea to adjust the volume levels for these devices to make sure you can hear and be heard clearly during your games. Next, you'll need to set your voice transmission type. You can choose between push to talk, where you'll press a specific key to speak, or voice activity, which will transmit your voice when it detects sound above a certain threshold. Lastly, adjust your voice transmission threshold. This setting controls the sensitivity of your microphone. If you're using voice activity, this will determine how loud you need to speak before your voice transmits. Once you've fine-tuned these settings to your satisfaction, your voice chat is all set up and ready to enhance your gaming experience. Now you can immerse yourself in your favourite games and communicate effortlessly with your teammates or friends. Enjoy your gaming adventures with voice chat on Steam.